Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or enable text message notifications on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you discover that you stop receiving notifications on your A54 Galaxy device and you don't know how to fix this, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable text message notifications on Samsung Galaxy A54, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings application. Scroll on the settings page, locate and click on notifications. On the notifications page, click on app notifications. Now, once you selected apps notifications, scroll down the apps notification page until you get to the messages app. So in this case, we have both the Google Messages app and then the Samsung Messages app. As you can see, I have the Google Messages app toggled off and the Samsung Messages app toggled on. The reason why I did this is because I'm using the Google Messages app as my default messages app on my Samsung Galaxy device. And if you're using Samsung Messages, it is possible that you toggle off the Samsung Messages app notification. Now, to turn on notifications for messages on your Samsung Galaxy A54, just locate the default messages app on your Samsung Galaxy A series and then turn it on. Once done add on, then you can just go ahead, exit the settings page, and then when you have a message on your Samsung Galaxy A54, you should receive a notification. And when you swipe down like this, you'll be able to see the notifications among all the notifications you have here. So that's exactly how to turn on or enable text message notifications on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G series. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.